amount of energy, or in the units of calories, this Dorito chip has. For this initial setup, you just take a rubber stopper, just put a toothpick, stick it into the stopper. On the other end, stick your Dorito. Doritos actually light up and stay lit pretty well here. What we're going to do is measure the amount of temperature increase of the water. So we're going to put a set amount of water in this flask. We'll know the mass and specific heat of it. You're going to put a thermometer over it and then measure the temperature change. So this lid on top and on the bottom will actually hold in most of the heat, so almost all the energy from the Dorito will go into the water. And you're going to place this into the bottom there. When you're lowering the thermometer, you want to make sure that it touches the water, but not the glass. So you might have heard a little tap there hitting the glass. Just bring it up ever so slightly. So now it's measuring the water. There's going to be enough water in there to make sure the thermometer touches it. Then just get your Dorito lit. Usually it's light it in a few sides in case it doesn't stay lit. I'm going to do this relatively quick. Actually, safety first here. And just put it under. You can actually see some of the smoke coming out. Now again, we're not going to get 100% of the energy. There will be a little bit of heat released. But as you do this, you can see steam coming out. The energy of the Dorito is going to go into the water. That's going to make the water temperature increase. Once we know the initial temperature of the water and find the new temperature of the water, you can make calculations in order to figure out how many calories the Dorito has. And then we'll compare it to the actual Dorito chip that it says on the label and 0% error. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below.